What else are we teaching? I'm passionate about nourishing piano teachers and resourcing them with new approaches. So this session begins with your passion for teaching, the values and mindsets you want to share with your students, and the impact you seek to have. You'll explore how your teacher identity naturally shows up in your teaching and how to draw on that more intentionally through modelling to support student motivation.
We'll consider how we can move beyond method book and syllabus pieces to incorporate a wide and rich variety of wonderful music and use that then as the basis for all of our teaching in a holistic musical way.
How can you be sure that the students you teach are learning not just to play pieces at the piano, but that they are becoming real musicians? The Kodai concept is a way of teaching which puts musicianship skills first. I've been teaching Kodai-based musicianship for my whole career. I love this work and I love sharing this work with people. I think it's absolutely life-changing and I'd really love to share it with you.